Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Health Haven. Today, we have a fantastic topic to explore: natural skin treatments. Our skin deserves the best care possible, and nature provides a treasure trove of remedies. So let's dive into the world of natural skincare. The beauty of natural skincare. First, let's talk about why natural skincare is a wonderful choice. Natural ingredients are often gentle, free of harsh chemicals, and can provide a wide range of benefits for your skin. Now, let's explore some fantastic natural ingredients that can give you that radiant, healthy glow. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps retain moisture. It's fantastic for hydrating the skin and has antibacterial properties that can prevent breakouts. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a soothing and cooling agent. It's perfect for calming irritated skin, reducing redness, and promoting healing. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile gem. It's an excellent moisturizer, makeup remover, and can even help with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Herbal remedies for skin. Nature's Garden offers a wide array of herbs with incredible benefits for the skin. Here are a few herbal remedies you can explore. Lavender. Lavender is known for its calming properties. Lavender oil can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Chamomile. Chamomile is excellent for sensitive skin. You can make a gentle chamomile tea toner to soothe and hydrate. Calendula. Calendula is prized for its anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula-infused oil can be used in various skincare recipes. Importance of patch testing. Before trying any new natural skincare product or remedy, it's crucial to conduct a patch test. Apply a small amount to your skin and wait to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Because it's important to remember that not all natural remedies work the same for everyone. Tailor your skincare routine to your skin type for the best results. Identify your skin type. Determine whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin. This will help you select the most appropriate natural remedies and products. Natural ingredients by skin type. For oily skin, ingredients like tea tree oil can help control excess oil. Dry skin benefits from moisturizing ingredients like avocado oil. Sensitive skin may prefer gentle options like chamomile. Holistic health for beautiful skin. Remember that beautiful skin often starts from within. Holistic health is about nourishing your body for glowing skin. Nutrition for skin. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries and greens can help fight skin-damaging free radicals. Sun protection. Always use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful ultraviolet rays. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is fundamental to maintaining skin moisture and elasticity. Sleep. Prioritize sleep. Your skin goes into repair mode while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Mindful skincare practices. Don't forget the connection between your mind and skin. Mindful skincare practices can enhance your natural beauty. Mindful skincare routine. Take your time with your skincare routine. Enjoy the process and let it be a moment of self-care. And stress reduction. Stress can affect your skin's health. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like deep breathing and meditation into your daily life. Seeking professional advice. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional. They can provide personalized guidance and treatments tailored to your needs. As we conclude this journey into natural skincare, remember that your skin is unique. What works best may vary from person to person. So, listen to your skin, pamper it with natural goodness, and let your inner glow shine through. Your skin tells your unique story, and every imperfection is a part of your beauty. Embrace your natural beauty, and let these remedies enhance what's already stunning about you. It's also important to remember that consistency is the key to successful skincare. Establish a daily skincare routine and stick to it. Your skin will thank you for consistent care. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video enlightening and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Health Haven for more tips on natural beauty and holistic well-being. Let's continue to celebrate our natural beauty and nurture our skin for a radiant, healthy glow. Until next time, take care and keep embracing your natural beauty.